But next in architecture history is something that was better, it's supposed to be better than CISC and RISC. It was very long instruction words, or VLIW. So Josh Fisher, who also did his dissertation on microprogramming for the more horizontal microcode, said, well, why don't we just compile, like kind of you think of compiling to microinstructions what RISC was, let's compile to these really wide things that have lots of data paths. So what that meant was under the compiler under software control might have to control things that would just take 1 clock cycle, like the integer operations, or 3 clock cycles, or 4 clock cycles, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle. You would put it all together with exactly the right distances so that everything would work, and Josh believed the compilers were up to that task, and that was the bet of VLIW. Okay. And the architecture guarantees the parallelism. That, you know, it's kind of easy for the hardware, but it's up to the software to make sure it all operates correctly.